everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video where I will show you and let you guys know how you can change your age on your Tinder app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So you will simply just go to your Tinder app first, and then you will simply tap on this profile icon below right corner, tap on that. And then let me mention this one thing before that, why you would like to change your age and what's the problem. So if you're having a problem on your Tinder app that you're seeing the age range that you would not prefer on your Tinder app, so we can change that. So to do that, you will simply go to your setting option, tap on that, and then you will scroll down, and then you will see this age range given below. So here you can simply change your age range to however you would like. After that, Tinder will just show you around that age that you have just set over there. But if you would like to change your age that shows with your profile name, then that is not possible. So yes, I'm really sorry about that, but that is not possible. So even if you go to this edit profile option, you cannot find that option called change your age and change your birth date, because in Tinder you cannot change your profile name and the age. If you want to totally change, you have a problem with the birth date that you just added, then you have to create another account with the correct age that you would like to change to. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and I hope this video has given you the answers, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.